Hello love and welcome to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. If you're not new here, then thanks for coming back. Hey. Alright, so Ashton is over here to my left. Today, yo! Hello. So today I was kind of feeling some yellow. I wanted something kind of like sunset-ish with a pop of pink. I wanted to do something fun, something colorful, something cute. So yeah, if you do want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what you think, honey. Yes. Alright, you guys, go ahead and keep watching. Yeah. Alright, so jumping right into the eyes, I'm taking these two shades from the Anastasia Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to use this as a base. And I'm taking it all the way up to my brow bone. Next, I'm setting it with translucent powder right before I jump straight into this neon palette, the old Upbeat Peach. I'm sorry, it's Upbeat Orange. I'm going to take 3 different types of orange in my crease. I'm kind of building it up slowly before I hit the burnt orange. So I'm just gradually building it up. Now I'm doing the burnt orange, and you know, of course, to your liking, however bright you want it, just keep packing it on or do it lightly. This is the NYX eyeshadow base in white. I'm cutting half of my crease with this. It's super creamy, so you're gonna have to kind of like tap it and play with it a little bit. Now this is a yellow fusion, and I'm gonna take this neon yellow and I'm gonna just tap it onto that base. Tap so you get the maximum coverage. Now to blend it all together, I'm taking that burnt orange and then that reddish brown shade, and I'm gonna just put it in the crease and then along the edges of the yellow. Now this is the Velour liquid lipstick in Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star. I'm using it as wing liner, you guys. I've never done this before and I freaking love it, but obviously like I didn't have a red liquid liner, so I just kind of, you know, improvised. But yeah, it came out super cute. I freaking love it, you guys. You should totally try it. Any color. Alright, so now for mascara, I'm using the Milani mascara. I don't remember, I was trying to think of what it was called, sorry. These are the I Envy Matte 3D lashes. These are super cute. They look super natural. They're not like crazy wild. And then jumping right into the face, this is the Energizing Toner Refresher by Hard Candy. So I'm going to just kind of moisturize my skin. And then for primer, I'm taking this Angel Veil by NYX. And when you first put it on, it's kind of thick, but then as your fingers warm it up, it thins out, but it's super mattifying, so totally worth it. This is a cream contour palette that I got from the beauty supply. So I'm going to just color correct with like that amber oranges color. This is going to counteract my dark bags. And then next is foundation. I'm mixing these 2 shades because obviously one was super light and one was super dark. It's the BECCA and NARS foundation. I love the combo of those 2. Back into that cream contour palette. I'm going to just use this for my concealer. These colors don't really have names, so I'm just kind of looking at the color and basing it off of my skin tone. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with this banana powder. This is by Black Radiance. I need some new banana powder, but I love this. It's my favorite. I want to try some different brands though. Alright, so next is the Milani Oil Control Powder. This is a medium deep. This is my favorite part. It's just to like watch my skin get mattified. It's just so satisfying. So this is the Nika K makeup. This is the Complexion Trio. It's in the color medium. It's really, really soft. I wanted it to be super natural today. Now I'm taking this Pink Crush blush palette, and I'm taking that pink shade. It's also from Nika K Makeup. And then I'm highlighting with that super deep gold. Gorgeous. Don't forget your brow bone. Alright, now I'm going to set everything with this all-nighter spray, and then we're going to finish off the eyes. So now this is the white eyeliner. You can use any brand you like. And then the Last Banging Pinks palette. I'm taking that pink shade and, of course, putting it in my waterline. I overdid it with like how much powder I picked up, but it's not going to hurt your eyes if you get powder in it, okay? So don't freak out, you guys. Now I'm going to put some mascara, and then of course you saw me put the pink on the lower lashes, and then highlight my inner corners. To finish off with my lips, I'm taking this brown liner from NYX. And then this Queen liquid lipstick. This is called Thick Skin. And I'm done. Yes, honey. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for watching. Of course, I always appreciate your time. So if you did like this video, go ahead and give me a like. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.